G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This week once again we're asking the question, go or no go. We're here at a place called Sir John Chandler Park over at Indooroopilly. We're going to take a bit of a look around the place here and see what it's got to offer you. Let's go check it out.
You don't know, go for long.
Sir John Chandler Park is around about 15 minutes outside of the city and around about 2 or 3 minutes from Indooroopilly itself. It's a great drive along the point here as well, and as you'll see from all the cyclists coming past, it's a really great place to come for a ride as well. You can do a bit of a loop through the back of Indooroopilly and make your way out along the point here. It's a nice way to sort of finish off your ride or get a little bit of nature in, because this entire section along here is just all sort of trees near the golf course, which is really nice. All right, well here we are at Sir John Chandler Park. Let's go check it out. We have been to this park, but it was a few years ago now, so just wanted to come through and have a bit of a look and see if it still has the same charm that it always has had. So we're going to take a bit of a look through and see what we have. There's a couple of different sections of the park here that people will probably utilise when you'll see them coming in. There's the first section that's here behind me. It's a big sort of open park area. There's gum trees all planted on one side and some other trees planted on the other. And they're all done in a nice little row along here. Pretty nice park here, and there's a heap of open area here, so good to utilise for walking your dog and stuff like that, I think. As you'll see here, there's also a dog off leash area in the park, which is handy if you're a dog owner. As you can see, the park here is actually quite big, and to be honest, it's quite underutilised. I've been here 100 times on the weekends in the park and around the area here, and there's not really a lot of people that actually come to enjoy this place. So it's good for you if you want to come and check the place out. It's a great walk through here under the trees, and as you would have seen from the footage here previously, if you do come through here at a certain time of year, you can get all of the jacarandas in bloom, and it's absolutely beautiful. As you first enter the park, just on your left hand side you'll see there's a bit of an open space here, and there's a couple of chairs and tables that are set up, and there's also old wooden barbecues here, which is very cool. But the main thing here is the outlook you've got onto the water. One of the really unique things about Sir John Chandler Park, and indeed the area here in general, is that it actually borders the golf club, which is just in front of me here. So we're on the end of a point of the river, which is really fantastic. So we've got plenty of views of the river, and you've probably got, to be honest, about 180-degree views almost of the river that the whole park covers. But also the entire area here is just a giant big park, so there's tons and tons of bird life here, tons of wildlife here. So it's a really, really nice place, and a really underutilised place as well. And this is the view that you've got at the end of the park here. It's lovely. Looking over to Yeronga and the tennis court precinct. And as you can see behind me here is the kids play area. Got a pirate theme, which is pretty cool, and it's fully gated off. You've got some seating in here as well, which is pretty cool, and it's right next to the river, so you can just sit here even with the kids playing and watch the sunrise, watch the water, and it's a nice place to do so. Perhaps one of the coolest things about this park, besides the fact that it's actually quite isolated and a lot of people don't know about it, is that there's actually quite a lot here. I was using this little cycling route here for probably 15, 20 years, and kayaking here as well, and I was unaware that this park is actually here. It's a great place to come and check out the sunrise. You can just watch the rowers come past in the morning and while the hours away listening to the rainbow lorikeets, and it's a beautiful place to just come and chill out and relax. Before we take a bit more of a look through the park, I just want to take a quick moment to acknowledge the people that actually watch the videos regularly and leave me some comments. It's really appreciated. And if you haven't done so, could you please leave a comment below, and also leave a little like if you can as well. It really helps me to grow and helps me to get more videos and more places out to you. All right, back to the video. There's not a lot of car parks here, probably only about 20 or more in total, but there is a lot of space along the river that you can actually park anyway, and there's also parks just down the bottom closer to the river. And as you'll see here, there's a nice seating area here as well. And throughout the park here, as you can see, there are bins and taps everywhere. And there is also a bathroom block here as well, which is helpful. For years, this has actually been a favourite little spot of mine, and there's a couple of reasons why. Firstly, you've got this great boat ramp here, so it's a really good spot to drop in. You've got the sound of birds around you. It's really, really quiet out here as well. Because it's at the end of the point here, as you would have seen from your map earlier, there's not a lot of people tend to get out here, and I've been here during the day, and a lot of people don't actually come and use this boat ramp very often, so handy for those of us who want to get some use of it early in the morning or at any time of the day and prefer a place that's quiet. And considering how close it is into Indooroopilly and just in town in general, fantastic. The other reason why I've always come out here as well is it's beautiful just driving along here, as you would have seen earlier when we were driving in. It's a nice little drive along here, or a nice little ride along here, and a great little place to come. All right, well, that's going to wrap things up for us here at Sir John Chandler Park. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. We'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.